Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Notion integration with OAuth tokens, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize Notion integration with OAuth tokens, begin by navigating to the Notion developer portal. If you do not have an account, create one. Once logged in, locate the Integrations tab. Click on New Integration to create a new integration. Fill out the required fields such as the integration name and associated workspace. Select the necessary permissions your integration requires. After filling out the information, click Submit to create the integration. You'll be redirected to a page containing your integration's details. Take note of the integration token provided as you will need this later. Next, move on to your application where you will implement OAuth 2.0. Specify the redirect URI in your application settings, ensuring it matches what you input in the Notion developer portal. Generate an authorization URL by combining your client ID and the necessary query parameters. Open this URL in a web browser to initiate the authorization process. Log into your Notion account when prompted. You'll be asked to grant permissions to your integration, review and accept the terms. After granting access, the authorization server will redirect to the specified URI. At this point, you should receive an authorization code. Copy this authorization code as it is essential for the next step. Return to your application and exchange the authorization code for an access token. Make a post request to Notion's token endpoint, including your client ID, client secret, and the authorization code. In response, you'll receive an OAuth access token along with a refresh token. Store both of these tokens securely for future use. With the access token, you're now able to make API requests to Notion on behalf of the user. Always ensure you handle tokens securely, protecting sensitive information. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized your Notion integration with OAuth tokens. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.